Little Rainbow Arts.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Little Rainbow Arts. Today we're going to have some fun drawing an elephant. Elephants are such amazing and gentle giants, and I'm really excited to create this artwork with you. As we go through this drawing, let's also learn a few interesting facts about elephants. Did you know that elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? They can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Elephants also have incredible memories. They can remember places, other elephants, and even humans for many years. This is why they're often considered very intelligent animals. Another fun fact: elephants are great swimmers. They can use their trunk as a snorkel when they swim in deep water. Now, as we draw, let's also focus on spelling the word elephant. It starts with an E, followed by L, E, P, H, N, and T. You can practice spelling it out loud while we sketch together. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process. Drawing is not just about the final piece, but also about having fun and expressing your creativity. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just keep going and you'll see how it all comes together in the end. I'm really enjoying drawing this elephant, and I hope you are too. If you want to share your artwork, you can tag us on social media with #LittleRainbowArts. I love seeing your creations. Alright, we're almost done. Just a few more details to add, and our elephant will be complete. Thank you for drawing with me today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing tutorials and art projects. Alright, let's dive into drawing a fantastic fox today. Foxes are such fascinating creatures, known for their cleverness and striking appearance. Did you know that foxes communicate with a variety of sounds? They can make up to 40 different vocalizations. Their most famous sound is probably the geckering noise they make during fights or play. Foxes also have some unique physical traits. For instance, their tails, also known as brushes, are not just for show. They use their tails to keep warm by wrapping them around their bodies like a blanket. They also use them for balance and as a signal flag to communicate with other foxes. As we sketch, let's spell the word fox together. It's a fun and easy word, F-O-X. Repeating it out loud can help you remember how it's spelled. Foxes are incredibly adaptable animals. They can live in a wide range of environments, from forests and deserts to urban areas. This adaptability makes them one of the most widespread mammals in the world. While we're drawing, remember that there's no rush. Take your time and enjoy each step. Drawing is as much about the journey as it is about the final result. If something doesn't look right, just adjust and keep going. The process is where the magic happens. I'm excited to see how your foxes turn out. If you'd like to share your artwork, tag us on social media with #LittleRainbowArts. Your creativity is always inspiring to see. We're almost there. Just a few more touches and our fox will be ready. Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more drawing tutorials and art fun. See you in the next video.